Hello. Lovely to see you. Welcome, welcome.
Go on, Sam. Ask Rosie for a dance.
I think I'll just have another ale.
Oh, no, you don't. Go on.
So there I was, at the mercy of three monstrous trolls. And they were all arguing amongst themselves about how they were going to cook us, whether it be turned on a spit or whether they should sit on us one by one and squash us into jelly. Oh, they spent so much time arguing the withertooths and the wyfords that the sun's first light crept over the top of the trees and turned them all to stone.
Oh no, the big one, big one.
Mrs. Bracegirdle, nice to see you. Welcome, welcome. Are all these children yours? Good gracious, you have been productive, haven't you?